Shanti class, we have already done the basic proportionality theorem. Now today we are going to do theorem 2, that's the converse of the basic proportionality theorem. If a line divides any two sides of the triangles in the same ratio, then the line must be parallel to the third side. Okay, so we are proving the converse. Now, given that triangle ABC and a line L, let this be line L, intersect AB at D and AC at E. So AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. Now it is given to us, right? And what do we have to prove? We have to prove that DE is parallel to A to BC. Clear? So let's start the proof. If possible, let DE is not parallel. So we are just assuming it. Our assumption is that we are taking it that DE is not parallel to BC. Then they must be line parallel to BC. So let okay. So let DF be parallel to BC. DF. So we are just taking it that DF is parallel to BC. Clear? Now in triangle ABC, DF is parallel to BC. Therefore, using the basic proportionality theorem, I write it as BPT, we get, AD upon DB is equals to AF upon FC according to the basic proportionality theorem. Now we have AD upon DB is equals to AE upon AC, the EC. This has been given to us that a line intersecting AB at D and intersecting AC at E, then the ratio AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. This is given to us. Now, let this be first and let this be the second. Now, using 1 and 2, we get, see AD upon DB, AB upon DB is there, so we get AE upon FC is equals to, see this is F. So AF upon FC equals to AE upon EC. Now adding 1 to both the side, so it will be AF upon FC plus 1 equals to AE upon EC plus 1. So AF plus FC upon FC is equals to AE upon EC. Right, now see from the figure, AF upon FC means AC. So it will be AC upon FC equals to, it is AE upon EC. Right, what is AE plus EC? It is again AC upon EC. Clear to you? Now AC and AC is common, so it will be 1 upon FC is equals to 1 upon EC, and we are getting that EC is equals to FC. So we know this is only possible when F coincides with E. So DF and DE are coincident lines. Hence, DE is parallel to BC. Okay, now this theorem is only for the motivation. Okay, now you should know this theorem. But the first theorem which we do, you must know its proof. Okay? Using BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem, we can deduce the following results easily. Now, the line drawn from the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to the another side bisects the third side. Let ABC be the triangle. DE is parallel to one of the side. Okay. Now, and D is the midpoint of AB. So DE is parallel to BC. It is given to us. AD is equals to DB. This is also given to us. Midpoint means they are AD is equals to DB. Now this is given to us. So what do we know from basic proportionality theorem? By BPT, we know AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. Right. So what it will be? It will be AD upon AD is equals to AE upon EC. Right. Now AD it will be 1. So what do we come to it? We come to the conclusion that AE is equals to EC. That is E bisects AC. Clear to you? Because here AD and DB are equal. So in place of DB, I can write AD also. Now see the second one. The diagonals of a trapezium divide each other proportionally. What does it mean? BD and AC are the diagonals of the trapezium. And you know AB and DC are parallel to each other. Two sides of the trapezium are parallel to each other. We have to prove that DF upon FB is equals to CF upon FA. Now draw EF parallel to AB and DC. So first you consider triangle ADB. So in triangle ABD, we know EF is parallel to AB. So according to the BPT theorem, you know DE upon EA is equals to BF upon DF upon FB by basic proportionality theorem. Now you take triangle ADC and you know EF is parallel to DC. So according to the BPT, we know AE upon ED is equals to AF upon FC. Right? AE upon DE is equals to AF upon FC. And we know what does that mean? It means that DE is equals to FB. Okay. So DE upon AE. DE upon AE is equals to CF upon FA. You know the reciprocal of it. Now from this 1 and 2. And what do we get it from the first also? You know from both from 1 and 2 we get DF upon BF is equals to CF upon AF. Is it clear to you? Right? Just see to it. You all should know how to prove it. Okay then. It is clear? Om Shanti class.